In previous video, we have discussed the terms and rules of probability. So now we look at the example. A and B are two events in a sample S. Given that probability of A is 2 over 7, probability of B is 1 over 6, and probability of A and B is equals to 1 over 12. Okay, first find the probability of A complement and B. Okay, so to solve this question, rather than you memorize the formula, okay, I will use the Venn diagram to find the exact formula to solve this question. Okay, so let's say we have two sets here, A and B. So this one is set A, and then this one is set B. Okay, and then A complement. Okay, so this one is a universal set. So A complement is outside A. Okay, so A complement maknanya dekat luar ni lah, luar daripada A. Okay, outside A and then intersect with set B. Okay, so lorikkan dekat B ni. Okay, so maknanya kita nak cari di kawasan yang double lorik ni lah, yang berlorik 2 kali ni. So yang ni. Okay, so that's why we use formula probability of B. So keseluruhan B ni tolak dengan, so kita nak buang yang bahagian tengah ni. So this one is probability of A intercept B. Okay, so probability of B minus with probability of A intercept B. So probability of B is 1 over 6 minus probability of A intercept B is 1 over 12. So the answer is 1 over 12. Okay, so actually you don't have to memorize, so you tak perlu nak ingat formula lah. So actually you boleh keluarkan formula tu daripada Venn diagram. Okay, and then for the next question, are A and B independent events and why? So kita tahu independent event, probability of A intercept B is equals to probability of A times probability of B. So you have to prove that the value on the left hand side must be equal to the value on the right hand side. So that's why kita cari dulu probability of A times probability of B, which is 2 over 7 times 1 over 6 is equals to 1 over 21. Okay, and then from the question given, probability of A intercept B is 1 over 12. Therefore, A and B are not independent events since the value on the left hand side is not equals to the value on right hand side. Okay, and then katakan kat sini saya tambah satu lagi question, another question. A and B are mutually exclusive. Okay, so clearly dekat sini kita boleh nampak there are value in A intercept B, which is the probability is 1 over 12 here. Okay, so meaning that A and B are not mutually exclusive because the probability of A intercept B is not equals to 0. Okay, that's all.